Here's a parcel of low-grade Boulder Opal pieces, rules in millimetres. It's been wetted. Some of the material has got like a glue on the back of it. They came off wall tiles. Someone's used it. Some of it, like this piece, I've cut the main pieces of opal off, and these are just the offcuts. And like I say, it's low grade and it's priced like that. Be good for practicing, getting your feel for cutting Boulder Opal, see if you like it. There's a lot of pieces here that you make lower grade stones out of. We'll go in a bit closer. Okay, I'm just holding the rule above it so you get an idea of some of the sizes of the pieces. Basically, quality varies a bit. That's a bit better piece. Maybe cut a couple of stones out of that. Other pieces like this, it's lower grade. But, with something like this, colour, you can see there's going underneath. Other pieces like this, just cut it, grind it out, make it into a pendant or something like that. If you want to try to practice your skills with undulating polishing with a Dremel or a similar type tool, some of this material lends itself to that. Of course, you could cut it through there where the angle changes, then you end up with a relatively flatter stone. Pieces like this. This has just been randomly tipped out of a container. This piece, I'm not going to go through every bit. Other pieces aren't so good. Piece like that can just get thrown away. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.